Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Today we're going to be checking out the Brainwavs Audio Delta. So these are apparently an all-metal in-ear stereo pair of earphones. And they were sent out to me by Brainwavs. So I'll have a link to these earphones in the description below if you guys were interested in picking a pair up for yourself. So let's get these open. Don't think we're going to need a knife for this. Alright, so inside the box we have the case. And inside the case, open that up, we've got the actual earphones here. Just open this package up to take a look at them quickly before I get into the other stuff. So these are the earphones. They do have an all-metal design. We got a fabric covering for the nozzle. Let me try to zoom in so you guys can see that. There you go. Let's remove this Velcro tie to check out the rest of the cable. So you got a curved 3.5mm jack. You've got a one-button remote with a microphone. It's an inline microphone. So let's put these aside for now. Let's move on to the rest of the stuff. So you got some paper here, which ain't nobody got time for that. You got some ear tips. So you got small, you got large. These look pretty good actually, and they feel good. They're nice and soft. They're not rigid. And then you got the mediums, which are currently on the earphones. So you got a total of 3 pairs altogether. Let's see what else we have. We also have a pair of memory foam ear tips, and these are Comply ear tips. Look, Comply ear tips. Look at that, beautiful. For those that don't know, Comply is a brand that makes good quality memory foam ear tips. And the reason why I think they make, or why many people think they make good quality foam ear tips, is because they expand very slowly. So not only does that give you extra time to stuff these in your ears, as you can see, it's a slow expanding foam, but they also just have they do a good job at sealing your ears. The only con with the Comply ear tips is they don't last very long, so because it's a more delicate type of memory foam. So remember that. Let's see, what else do we have? We have a clip. It's branded by Brainwavs. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to take a listen to these and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about them. So I will be right back. Alright, so I just tested these out and these are on the warmer sounding side. They have a V-shaped sound signature and a very nice and boomy bass. Overall, a good sounding pair as a single driver pair of earphones. Now, some of the things that did bother me with these earphones was number one, the fit. So with the fit, they stayed in my ears if I pushed the backs to the sides of my ears. So if I pushed them in, then they stayed in my ears, but then after a while, my ears started to hurt. and get that bruised feeling, if you know what I mean. Now, another thing that concerned me with these earphones, especially after reading some of the Amazon reviews, was the cable. So the bottom half of the cable is pretty sturdy and looks pretty durable, but then at the top half, it looks and feels very flimsy. It's on the thinner side, and if you take a look at the joints over here, if I can just zoom in there for you guys so you can see, it looks a little bit fragile, as you can see. So that definitely concerned me, but that said, these earphones do ship out with a 24-month warranty, so there is some insurance there. So basically, if something happens to these earphones within 24 months of owning them, you just send a ticket out to the company, assuming you did buy it from their website or off Amazon. So you send a ticket in or you email them and they send you an RMA, and I guess you send it back and they send you out a new pair. So there is some insurance there with these earphones. So you get 24 months of warranty with them. So as you see, they don't look like they can take much of a beating. Anyhow, here's a microphone test for those wondering the mic quality on these Deltas. Hey guys, this is what the microphone sounds like on the Brainwavs Delta earphones. And I'm using the voice memo app on my iPhone 6 to record this audio. One last thing I almost forgot to mention was that there is a cable height adjuster on these earphones, so that's pretty cool. Big thumbs up for that. I'm always a fan of the height adjusters. I feel like they definitely improve the fit or improve the stability of the earphones when they're in your ears. So again, thumbs up to that. Anyway, if you guys were interested in picking up a pair for yourself, I'll have a link to them in the description below. But that's pretty much it. If you guys haven't already subscribed yet to this channel, make sure to do that. And if you found this video helpful, or if you found it entertaining or whatever, then please make sure to leave a like. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.
Perfect.